So when we solve two simultaneous equations, let's say we have two linear equations of the type a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and another equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So when we plot them on a graph, so there are three possible cases. One will be that these lines will intersect each other. Okay.
Yeah.
The other one will be that these lines will be parallel to each other.
Mm-hmm.
Parallel
Yeah.
means they will never intersect each other. And the third possibility is that these lines will be just overlapping completely. So there's a complete overlap. I'm using two colors so that you can understand. Okay. So there will be a complete overlap between both the lines. Let me use bit thicker one. So it will be like this. Okay. It's like a complete overlap. So just try to understand the differences. When we talk about the first one, so first one is called as unique solution. Unique solution. The
Okay.
second one is called as no solution.
Okay.
Solution means point of intersection. Okay, so that I'll just write here. When we say a solution, it means point of intersection.
Okay.
Okay, so unique solution means unique means only one. No solution means literally there is no point of intersection. And the third case where there are so many points of intersection, we call it as infinitely many solution.
Okay.
Okay. Now there are
Understood.
certain conditions based on the above coefficients. Now when I say coefficients, so a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are treated as coefficients. Okay. Now finally I'll write down the condition. So when there is a unique solution, so in that case I will do a1 over a2 is not equal
Yeah.
to b1 over b2. This is a condition for unique solution. No solution means a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2, but that is not equal to c1 over c2. So when we are dealing with a no solution case, then c1 and c2 differs, but the coefficients of x and y remain same. And the third condition, if it is infinitely many solution, then a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2 is equal to c1 over c2. They all are equal, and that is the condition of infinitely many solutions. So this summarizes everything about simultaneous solving of linear equations. And there are three different cases: unique solution, no solution, and infinitely many solutions. And based on
Okay.
the equation, we can check the relation by using a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. If they are not equal, we go with unique solution. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but that is not equal to c1 by c2, then no solution. And the third one is when they all are equal, we call it as infinitely many solutions.